If you've made any energy improvements to your home, solar panels, a heat pump, new windows, insulation, the federal government will literally pay you back a percentage of the cost through tax credits. These aren't deductions. They're dollar-for-dollar reductions in your tax bill. Let me show you how to claim them. Form 5695 has two parts covering two different credits. Part 1 is the Residential Clean Energy Credit, 30% of costs for solar, wind, geothermal, and battery storage with no dollar cap. Install $40,000 of solar and get a $12,000 credit. Part 2 is the Energy Efficient Home Improvement Credit, various caps per category up to $3,200 total per year. The annual cap resets each year, so staggering improvements across multiple years maximizes your credits. Here are real dollar examples. A $25,000 solar system gives you a $7,500 credit, directly off your taxes. An $8,000 heat pump gives the maximum heat pump credit of $2,000. New windows costing $4,000 still only give $600, the cap applies regardless of actual cost. Battery storage systems follow the 30% rate with no cap. Combining these in the right year can generate substantial savings. For the 30% clean energy credit, qualified items must meet specific standards. Solar panels must meet fire and electrical codes, virtually all professionally installed systems do. Solar water heaters need SRCC certification. Geothermal heat pumps must be Energy Star certified. Battery storage is one of the most underutilized credits. Even standalone battery systems without solar qualify for the 30% credit as long as they have at least 3 kWh of capacity. Home improvement credits require Energy Star certification for most items. Heat pumps, both for space heating and water heating, share a combined $2,000 annual cap. Exterior doors give $250 per door up to $500. Windows and skylights must meet specific U-factor requirements and max out at $600. Adding insulation and air sealing materials qualifies for up to $1,200. A professional home energy audit gets you 30% back up to $150, and often reveals the best upgrades to maximize future credits. Several popular home improvements do not qualify. Pool heaters and hot tubs are excluded even if solar-powered. LED lighting upgrades no longer carry a credit under current law. Rental and investment properties don't qualify, this credit is specifically for your personal residence. Standard roof replacements don't qualify, but solar shingles or roof tiles that also generate electricity do qualify for the 30% credit. Form 5695 is straightforward. In Part 1, you enter the total cost of your qualifying clean energy systems and multiply by 30%. In Part 2, you enter costs by category and the form applies each limit. Then you add the two credits together. If the total credit is more than your tax liability, meaning you don't owe enough tax to use it all, the clean energy credit carryforward rolls to next year. The home improvement credit is non-refundable and non-carryforward, so plan accordingly. The IRS may question your energy credits, so keep thorough documentation. Save the invoice, the manufacturer's certification, any Energy Star or SRCC certification documents, and the contractor's invoice. These credits have attracted fraud, so the IRS looks at them carefully. A licensed contractor, proper certification, and clear paperwork is your best protection. Keep everything for at least 7 years. Energy credits can put thousands of dollars back in your pocket. If you're planning any home upgrades, check Form 5695 eligibility before you buy. Subscribe to Everyday Wealth Guide for more money-saving tax guides every week.